it's logical that people are speaking of a Luzon tandem with VP Duterte for the simple reason that it worked in 2022, solid South, and somebody has some kind of northern Manila-based constituency. So I believe that's the reason. Pero kung tutuusin, parang bukas makalawa na yung election, ano? Pero actually, it's 2 years away. Pero nung nag-announce si VP Sara, naging maingay. Parang maski dito sa local politics lahat nagtatanong na sino maglalaban-laban. And it's really very early. But with the impeachment looming, politika, imbes na ekonomiya, ang tinusutukan natin, sana mabalik sa talagang kinakailangan ng tao ang economy. So, well, there's several names being floated, and of course there are a lot of BDS and these main names also being floated. Maybe it's an indication that VP Sara is such a strong candidate, hindi na masyado pinag-uusapan yung president, ang intriga na lang sa VP.